Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transcribe voice message on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Sending a voice message makes connecting with friends and family even more personal. There's something special about hearing your loved one's voice even when you're far away. Like sometimes you're on the move in a loud place or you receive a long voice message that you just can't stop and listen. For those moments, we're excited to introduce voice message transcript. On my previous video, you can see how to use this, how to enable, how to turn on the voice transcript on your WhatsApp. Now, in this video, I will show you how to use it. It's so simple. So first of all, you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is on the latest version and you have enabled it. You can check on your settings on your WhatsApp on the chat section. Here's for the voice message transcript. We can enable this feature on the chat section. After that, we can just go back. Now I will try to send voice message to that WhatsApp account. Hi, so this is the voice message that you can transcribe on your WhatsApp. Hi, so this is the voice message that you can transcribe on your WhatsApp. Now let's try to transcribe it on your WhatsApp. This one. You can just tap and hold on the voice message, tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here, tap on transcript. So here's the result. Here's for the transcript. So cool, right? So that is how to transcribe voice message on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.